Spam musubi. Super easy to make. Let's dive into the recipe. It brings me so much happiness, so much joy, so flavorful. First, you're gonna need a can of Spam. Got the light one, so it won't be as salty. You can find this everywhere. Oh, I hate that part. Childhood trauma. Empty it out like this. Check, 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 check. Oh, this is a workout. Come out. Yeah, push. Oh, there it is. Just put up a good fight. So you're just gonna cut this about 1/4 of an inch thick. Like this. Or if you make this often, you can use a Spam slicer tool. Just press down like this. Voila, oddly satisfying. Look at that. Wow. Make it rain. Make it rain with Spam. So now let's make our sauce for musubi. Mirin. I'll be generous with that. Some soy sauce. I love soy sauce. Be careful, you don't want it too salty. Like my grandma would always say, give me some sugar. And now we're gonna give it a whisk. Make sure the sugar dissolves. All right, we have our sauce. Let's set that aside. ASMR. Whoa. We're gonna season our sushi rice with some Japanese rice seasoning, Furikake. Pour a generous amount. The more the merrier. Wow, look how beautiful and vibrant this is. Give this a mix, gently toss it. I love the smell of furikake. If you know, you know. It's so delicious. It has like a crisp to it, sweet, savory. Turn that on. On a high heat, add oil to wok or pan. Want to get this really hot. Add in our Spam. Flip it over on both sides. And now we're gonna pour in our sauce. So with this sauce is sweet and savory, paired up with the Spam, which is more salty, it becomes so well balanced in flavors. So once the sauce has a glaze and starts sticking up, go ahead and turn off the heat. Let it rest and cool down. Remove your Spam. Here comes the fun part. Let's make our musubi. Here's what you're gonna need. Some Japanese sushi rice, a short grain, a musubi molder. You don't have this, you can just simply use the Spam musubi can. You just line it with saran wrap or plastic wrap and then you stack them up like how you would in here. A little bowl so we can make our sauce and your nori, roasted Japanese seaweed. So they come in big sheets like this. You just cut them to your desired size. I cut mine about this size. All right, let's get started. I'm just gonna lay my musubi maker right here in the middle and add some rice. I'm gonna press down on this. These are fun to make. The kids will love making this too. Be like a family activity. Gonna add in my Spam. Another layer of rice. Squish it down. Now press out and seal it. I like to add a little bit of rice here so it sticks. Flip it over and voila, you have your Spam musubi. And if you want, you can elevate this by adding a crispy egg. Put that in. It brings me so much happiness, so much joy, so flavorful.